Director General Uganda Aids Commission man Dr. Nelson Musoba oendan makaro ali piera bicho ngwen gono to jona Manyen dok ikin kare meno manong matut kebot pat Robert Larubi pelonge mo chwin iwan luo television.
Kwed maaki Duli Uganda Aids Commission tieki nyot madit ni tuo Jonyo kotika metamere loboman. Dr. Nelson Musoba, Director General Uganda Aids Commission wachi Uganda neno mete panaba tuo Jonyo matek tutwali karma Lobomano beri lockdown on Nyoki gang.
54,000 new infections in 1 year, so that's a significant number. The last year, 6,000 babies who were born to HIV positive mothers became HIV positive. That's a very high number because as we speak now, we have the means to ensure that even if you are an HIV positive mother, you can have an HIV negative baby.
Iloke Dr. Musoba wachi tuo tima tek tutwali kinlo tina nyira mateno loya wobe konbene wajo pingo.
65% of the new infections were women, so you can see in terms of adjustment, women are more prone to being infected compared to the men, and we know for a number of reasons, including the disparities, the power disparities, the issues around gender and violence and access to services.
Malupe ki report maaki bod dulman tuo Jonyo tima tek tutwali joma berikin center madondo loyo joma tie kin gang en wajani man romo beru tie pi mete padano nyo wel dano mano duong ikaberu makuman.
Districts like Mbarara, along the northern corridor, there is a lot of high HIV prevalence. So you have the highest being Kalangala, you have Mbarara, you have Gulu in that order, but you have districts in the Karamoja region and the West Nile region showing amongst the lowest.
Olega nywali mi Uganda mi gwake matek tutwal bene pimi weko kuogi ata kun wachigini tuo Jonyo fotie pero madit tutwal makwo miro agwaga mabe.
Very high rate of infection amongst the age of 15 to 24 and predominantly again affecting girls. Up to 79% of those between 15 and 24 years of age who got new infections were girls.
Pilonge ya mchini wandu TV John Musinze genki part Robert Larubi.